Hi guys, welcome back as we match the middle sound in words. Our first word we want to match with is the middle sound in jam. So let's say the sounds in jam. J, A, M. Now, one of these has the same middle sound, so let's say the sounds in those words. F, A, N, R, E, D. Which one has the same middle sound as J, A, M? I hope you picked fan because jam and fan both have the A sound in the middle. Our next word is pan, pan. So we are going to say the sounds in pan, pa, an. One more time, pa, an. Which one of these has the same middle sound? Op or ag. I hope you said tag because pan and tag both have the a sound in the middle. Next we have kit, kit. So let's say the sounds in kit. K, it. One more time. K, it. Let's see which of these has that same middle sound. D, ig. Or v, et. This one is hard. I hope you said dig because kit and dig both have the I sound in the middle. Okay. Our next one is cut. So let's say the sounds in cut. K, at. One more time. K, at. And we're looking for a match to that middle sound. Let's try boat. B, oat. Or hut. At. I hope you picked hut because cut and hut both have the a sound in the middle. Our last one for today is pin. So let's say the sounds in pin. Pa, in. One more time. Pa, in. Which of these words has the same middle sound? V, I, n. Or wa, ig. I hope you picked wig because pin and wig both have the I sound in the middle. Okay, see you next time.